Bharatnaryadhananother.com.
Next, we are going to study mode of a grouped data, mode of an ungrouped data. Next topic is mode. Mode of an ungrouped data is the most frequently occurring data. The most frequently occurring data is called the mode of an ungrouped data. Ungrouped data of mode is the most occurring data. We can just see what is mode of an ungrouped data. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows: 2, 6, 4, 5-0, 2-1, 3-2-3. This is the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are given. We have to find the mode of these observations. Which is the most frequently occurring observation? 2, 2, 2. 3 times. The observation 2 is occurring 3 times. Then 6. Only 1 time. 6 is occurring only 1 time. Then 4. 4 is also occurring in 1 time. Then 5. Occurring only 1 time. 0 is occurring only 1 time. Now 1 time, 3 2 times. Therefore, the most frequently occurring observation is 2. It is occurring 3 times. Therefore, mode of the given ungrouped distribution is 2 is the mode. Mode of the ungrouped distribution is 2. Mode is equal to 2 because 2 is occurring 3 times. This is for an ungrouped data. For an ungrouped data, the most frequently occurring observation is called mode. Now, for a grouped data, there is a formula for finding the mode for an ungrouped data. This is for an ungrouped data, and for a grouped data, mode is equal to, the formula for finding mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 the whole divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding the mode of a grouped data, where L is the lower limit of the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. H is the size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Then F1 is frequency of the model class. F1. Frequency of the model class. Then F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding the model class. Now F2. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. This is the formula for finding the mode of a grouped data. Here, this is the mode of an ungrouped data. The mode means the most frequently occurring observation is called, or data is called, the mode of an ungrouped data. And here is the formula for finding the mode of a grouped data. Mode. The next measure of central tendency we have to study is mode. Mode means most frequently occurring observation or data. The formula for finding the mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, and F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H is the size of the class interval. So we can use this formula for finding the mode of a grouped data, and we are going to do one or two problems using this formula. Okay.